If it goes viral on TikTok, I buy it. But this time, I think I got scammed. I've been testing viral makeup products that TikTok has influenced me to buy. e.l.f, Rare Beauty, NYX, all of it. Today, I'm revealing the truth. So stick around, hit subscribe, and let's see if those TikTok products are worth your money. Starting with skin prep. The Glow Recipe Niacinamide Dewdrops went viral for being a really good makeup prep, but also skincare. The Sephora kids love this stuff. And it's good. But I've said it once and I'll say it again. For $50, it's not worth it. The packaging is cute, it makes my skin feel great, but it's so expensive. And the e.l.f. Thirst Burst Drops do the exact same thing for $18. Speaking of e.l.f., we all know how viral this product is. This is the e.l.f. Halo Glow Liquid Filter. It retails in Canada for around $21, and it was supposed to be a dupe for the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter, and it is. The finish is actually quite pretty, but every color I try is orange on me. Like, what is that? Does anyone else have this problem? My reviews aren't all bad. The NYX Bare With Me Serum Concealer went really viral. It caught my attention because it's a serum, and as someone with dry skin, that sounds real appealing to me. And when I tell you, you need the tiniest amount. Like, that will literally do my whole under eyes. So for $19 a bottle, the value is there, and it's so hydrating and creaseless. I've been seeing the Morphe Cheek Thrills Multi-Finish Blush Trios, oh my gosh, that's a mouthful, everywhere. And wow, the quality, the shades, the pigment. I'm so glad the TikTok girlies put me on this. And I feel the same way about the Rare Beauty bronzer sticks. Dare I say, Rare Beauty can't make a bad product. The Warm Wishes Effortless Cream Bronzers are exactly how they sound. Creamy and effortless to blend. So TikTok, thank you for this one. But you all really did me dirty with the next one. I would not shut up about the Charlotte Tilbury Beauty Light Wands. If you don't recognize the name, you recognize the packaging. So much so that my mom actually bought me one for Christmas. Shout out to you, Mom. And I am so sad to report that they're nothing special.
$57?
TikTok gave me trust issues after this one. Thank you, Mom. I still use it all the time, but I will not be repurchasing. Now, the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder is everyone's OG. Some of you have moved on to Huda Beauty, but I just can't get past how blurring, natural, and inexpensive this stuff is. This TikTok recommendation is tea. Next up, we have blush powder, and these two from Rare Beauty both went viral. This video really is a love letter to Rare Beauty. Their Soft Pinch Luminous Powder Blush is perfect for a dewy look. No need for highlighter because the blush has that glow. And the Soft Pinch Matte Bouncy Blush is better for a matte full face. But they're both so good. For my brows, I have the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil Eyebrow Definer. My goodness. This retails for about $37. Now, Benefit itself is talked about everywhere for their brow products. And I do like their other brow products, but like, let me show you. But this one, I swear, it just gives me nothing. Like, I have to press so hard to even get anything out of it. Maybe that's user error, but I'm not a fan. The L'Oreal Infallible 3-Second Setting Mist has gone viral for making your makeup last. And also smelling terribly like hairspray. Don't inhale this stuff. I am so happy for this TikTok recommendation. I've already repurchased it twice. I'm a big fan. It does everything it claims to. I have mixed feelings about the L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara. I really like how it lengthens and defines my lashes. But the packaging is kind of hard to use. Like, is that just me? And the actual wand is a little bit big and flimsy. Okay. Like, I can't be the only one having this problem. There we go. I am so incredibly qualified to talk about lip products because I've purchased almost every viral lippy on the market, unfortunately for my bank account. And you've heard me talk a lot about my favorite lip stains. I even did a video rating them, which you can go check out. And my new favorite was a recommendation from TikTok. The e.l.f. Sheer For It blush tints are perfect. They apply and spread perfectly and last a really long time, which of course is why everyone's loving them online. And the color Cherry Cola, the one I'm wearing right now, is the best one. I always top a stain with a gloss, balm, or treatment. And there are so many viral ones. And one of the OGs I was pretty disappointed by. The Laneige Lip Glowy Balm went really viral, alongside their lip masks. And I don't know if it's just the ones I have. I know there are newer formulas, but this smells awful. The applicator is nice and the product feels good on my lips, but the market is so saturated with lip balms and lip treatments, and this one just isn't as good. TikTok made me buy it, but I'm forming my own opinions. Comment what viral makeup I should try next. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss my next video. Bye!